Keep pushing. Push. Where is she?
She's behind you. She's
Push,
figuring
push,
out-
push.
She's figuring out another way to push you beside, oh, she's got a hold of the,
This is gonna make tonight a lot easier for you, Joanne. Keep pushing. Push, push, push.
That is mommy's big strong girl.
Okay, now let's go up it.
she's been pushing your stroller, but,
This is a whole new level.
yeah, yeah.
Smooth floor or not, there's a certain element
That was
of
just a mark.
mass. Ready? Good girl. And push. Push, push, push.
She may have a poopy now.
Push, push, push. Are you all done?
You're working hard for your supper, Sarah.